Ever needed to send money internationally, but you're confused about how to get it from your Wise account over to someone who uses Taptap Send? Let's clear up some confusion. Unfortunately, you can't directly transfer money from Wise to Taptap Send. Think of them as separate services. What you'll need to do is use Wise to send funds and then have the recipient use Taptap Send. First, log into your Wise account, initiate a transfer as you normally would. Specifying the amount you want to send, you'll choose the recipient's bank details. Wise is well versed in many different currencies, so select the required currency. Wise will guide you through the process, typically including confirming the transaction and choosing your payment method. It's important that your recipient has the correct remittance information ready. The money will then arrive in the recipient's account. The recipient, after receiving funds through the Wise transaction, can initiate their own transfer using Taptap Send. They'll use the Taptap Send app and can send from there. Before you commit to using either service, compare fees. Wise and Taptap Send have different rates, so it's important to pick the option that is cost-effective for your needs. So, there you have it. Remember, Wise sends to the recipient, who then uses Taptap Send.